Log in to your OKX account. Navigate to the Assets section on the OKX dashboard. Select Withdraw from the available options. Choose USD or USD-supported stablecoin as the currency. Enter your Binance wallet address for the USD deposit. Specify the amount of USD you wish to transfer. Check if there are any associated withdrawal fees. Confirm all details and proceed with the withdrawal. Log in to your Binance account. Navigate to the Wallet section on Binance. Go to Fiat and Spot Wallet to check balances. Wait for the transaction to be processed. Typically, processing can take from minutes to hours. Once processed, USD balance will appear in Binance Wallet. Ensure transfer completion before making trades or withdrawals.